The HDrewO water filtration system is the perfect answer for your onboard clean water needs. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the initial setup of the unit. Once bolted into place, the first step is to install the tubing between the Coarse sediment filter and the filter box. The tubing connects through a quick connect fitting. Simply insert the tube and gently pull back to lock in place. Measure the distance from the pre-filter to the filter box and cut the supplied 1/4-inch tube to the required length. Install the Coarse sediment filter. This is a simple process. Begin by removing the plastic covering of the filter, insert the filter into the canister, and then, by hand, thread the canister up into the mount until tight. Connect the faucet. The faucet will come with 2 washers and a plastic lock nut along the stem. Remove the lock nut and the bottom washer. Then thread the faucet through the hole at the top of the filter box. From inside the box, return the washer and the lock nut into place. Tighten the lock nut until nearly fully tightened. Then, insert the stem of the faucet into the valve of the number 4 filter. Gently pull down to lock in place. Then, finish tightening the lock nut. Filter maintenance. Your HDrewO system comes with 4 inner filters already in place. It is important to maintain these filters as well as the Coarse sediment pre-filter to assure the best quality water for your crew. We recommend changing them every 6 months. Your Drew Marine representative can supply you with each of these filters, which you will need to maintain for optimal performance and water quality. When changing filters, use a flathead screwdriver or similar tool to depress the metal ring inside the valve opening. This will release the seal. You can then remove the filter in question. As always, remove the plastic wrap covering the new filter. It's important to note that each filter is numbered for your ease of use. Inserting the inner filters is also incredibly simple. Begin by removing the plastic cap as well as the blue caps on each of the filter stems. Insert the stems into the quick connect fitting and give a slight tug to lock in place. Then, snap the filter back into place and you're done. The same process can be used for each of the 4 filters. Once connected, we recommend running roughly 25 liters of water through the system until the water is running clear through the filters. And thank you for choosing the HDrewO water filtration system from Drew Marine.